Managing files between Liscio and SmartVault just got a whole lot easier. Introducing Liscio's SmartVault integration. Now you can import and export files between the two platforms without saving them to your computer. Plus, linked accounts let you jump straight to your client's folders, saving you loads of time. Start by going to your profile in Liscio's bottom left corner. Click on third-party apps, and under document management systems, hit connect next to SmartVault. Sign in, grab your PIN, paste it into the pop-up with your email, and click proceed. Your SmartVault account is now linked to Liscio. To link your accounts, go to manage account links under SmartVault and hit sync accounts. Most will link automatically. For those that don't, just link them manually and save. From now on, exporting or importing files between Liscio and SmartVault will be instant. Get connected and start streamlining your document management with Liscio's SmartVault integration today.